Okay, so the two strategies I've got for you today is, and they're called these two strategies, make it to 10, and then the other one is add left to right, and I've just put L and R. Okay, so in your two columns, can you put those two headings, please? Make to 10 and add L to R, which you will hopefully remember is left to right. Okay. So I'm going to show you some examples and then I'm going to give you one to try. And as I said before, this is designed to make things faster and more accurate, okay? And you need to give yourself a couple of practices before you decide whether this is something that you want to use. And I have one that's my favourite over the other two, and that's fine. All right? So say you have an addition that is 24 plus 18. Now, you probably, some of you in here can do that like that, okay, and that's excellent, okay, but a lot of you might need to take just a couple more seconds to work that out or longer, right? This is one way you can do it a little bit faster. As the title suggests, you're trying to make the ones column up to a 10 and then deal with the rest, okay? So write that down firstly in your book, if you haven't already. And then I want you to write exactly what I'm going to do on the board, okay? So I'm going to join these up here with a little line, okay? Signifying that I'm going to be dealing with the ones, okay? The next thing, if I add the 4 and the 8, that's 12, yeah? Another way you could do it is to separate it into 22 plus 10 plus 10, okay? What I've done there is I've taken 2 from here and I've made that into 22, and then I've got a 10, the 2 and the 8, and this 10. That's heaps easier to add than that, okay? And I've got an answer of 42. Just write that down for me. Big sets of pens, sorry. So write down exactly what I've done there. And I can see a few people looking at me going, what did you do that for? All right. You will get the hang of it after a couple of practices. The goal is to make it into groups of 10 as much as possible. I've got 2 of them here because that's easier to mentally add. Okay? Yeah.
I usually do number 2 for the 18 to make it 20. And add 20
Totally fine to do that as well. Yeah. So Billy was saying that he would imagine that there was another 2 there and make it 20, and then when he's got his answer, he'll just take that 2 back away off it. That's another way you can do it. Totally fine. And essentially you're kind of doing the same thing. You're not making it to 10, but you're making it to the next 10, being 20. So that's the way you can do it. Okay, another example, same strategy. Okay, 37 plus 45. I'll get to you in a second. Just have I made a mistake? No. Okay. Just give me a sec. We'll go through this and then I'll ask you questions. All right. Okay, again, we're going to be working with the ones. So do that with your little pencils. And if I was to add 7 and 5 together, I'd get 12. But a way that you could do it is to take 5 from here, add it onto here. So that would make this 32 plus, what would that be? If I add 5? 50, great. Okay, and now I can add my answer. I've just shifted things around so it's a bit easier. Okay, so I've got 32 plus 50, 82. Super. Make a little bit of sense? Yeah. And you might find when I'm explaining this, you're probably thinking, oh, actually, sometimes I already do that myself. And that's great. Questions or comments? Yeah. Yeah.
The way I do it is I just add 30, 40 at 75.
That's it. I'm going to get to that.
That's what I would do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And like I said before, I do have a favourite. That's actually my favourite. So I'll teach you both, and you can use both or one or whatever. Yeah. Yeah. Sure. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to give you one to do yourself now. Maybe. Oh, yes. Okay, so the next one is 16 plus 25. So your goal is to work with your ones, place value. See if you can make a 10 out of that. And do with the rest. And then also hopefully get the right answer.
Oh, you want us to get the right answer?
That would be excellent. Okay, good.
I don't really like that.
That's okay. It takes me too long.
I do left to right. Left to right is basically round. That's not
I see where you're coming from, yeah. Alright, so how would I make 10 in here? I would shift how much over? 5. Right, good, yeah. Okay, and that would make that 11 plus 30 to make 41. Awesome. Great. Okay, I'm just going to stop the video there. So if you look at this on the website, I'm just going to do that strategy in one video and that in the next, okay?